Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tuesday and today is day 23 of Vlogmas. Hallelujah! I'm so excited. 2 more days left of Vlogmas, today and tomorrow. Today, I wanted to share with you guys your top 5 most watched videos of 2020 here on my channel from Tuesday with Love. I was definitely a little bit surprised by some of the videos you guys found so intriguing, but here they are for you. Without any further ado, let's jump in. Okay, most watched video number 5 was actually one of my favorites that I did this year. And that was, I have my little list here in front of me in case I look down, you guys, was the Loft haul, where I had over a dozen sale items from a shopping trip that I took to Loft back in August. This was actually one of the first times I actually left my house this year for shopping. Clearly, we've been in a pandemic all year, and I did my best to stay home as much as possible. I didn't go back to work until after this haul, and so it was easy for me to just kind of cozy up in my house and do all of my shopping online. And you guys, I do the majority of my shopping online. But I had an opportunity to go out to the mall for something else. I was there with a friend, and so we indulged ourselves and we shopped till we dropped. I got so many great pieces out of that Loft haul. I spent less than $200 for them, and it was beautiful. I'm gonna do my best to try and put some footage of the different pieces that I got in this video, just some like try-ons or some outfit of the days or whatever that I might have posted over on Instagram, just so you guys can see some of the pieces that were in those videos. I will also do my best to leave links to those videos below in case you would like to watch them again. And I've got hanging here a couple of the pieces that I got. Now from that haul, I loved just about everything, but there were maybe 2 or 3 pieces that once I got kind of further into life that I realized, oh, I probably could have left that on the rack. This piece here was, or is, a kind of like a cape slash shawl slash jacket, and I really, really love it. However, it has been so sunny and so warm this year, I actually haven't even had a chance to put this on my body yet, so I have no pictures of me wearing it. That being said, I don't regret this purchase. I actually still really, really love this piece and hope that I get to wear it before it gets warmer again. Warmer than it has been. The other piece that I have here is this one. This was a beautiful halter neck with this color blocking on it. I love all the colors on this shirt. It's very much in my vibe, very much on brand for me. My only issue with this shirt was that it requires a strapless bra, and me and strapless bras, as those of you who have been watching my channel for a while know, we don't get along very well. So I am still on the hunt for a strapless bra that is going to work with this shirt, and therefore I haven't had a chance to wear it. I probably really should have left this on the rack, knowing what I know about myself and strapless bras, but it was just so darn cute and it was just so darn cheap. So I went ahead and got it. That, my friends, was one of my absolute favorite hauls. Sorry, I'm trying to hang things on a rack here. Was absolutely one of my favorite hauls. I got the best pieces out of it, pieces that I wore and wore and wore and I'm still wearing. Yeah, I just loved that haul so much. And it's really inspiring me right now, thinking that maybe I should like hit Loft again. Might be time. Yeah. The 4th most watched video was from June of 2020. It was the Stitchfix unboxing, and it reminded me that you guys are just as quick to tell me what you love about my unboxings as what you don't love about my unboxings. And you know what? I am completely here for it because fashion is not static. It is very fluid and it is open to interpretation. So what I might really, really love, you guys might be like, Tuesday, really? One of my favorite YouTubers, Carolyn from Carolyn and Her Clothes, warned me in the comments about keeping a pair of coral rayon blend pants. And just as she said, they are a beast to keep wrinkle free. It requires actually taking out an iron, actually putting it on a steam setting, and actually pulling out a press cloth to get them wrinkle free. That being said, if you're down for the challenge, they definitely wear beautifully. They're very comfortable. They have just enough stretch in them, and they're just super cute. I actually now have 3 pairs of pants in the same fabric, and usually if I pull the iron out for one of them, I try to pull it out for all of them. They all kind of end up dirty at the same time, and I just press them all at once. You do have to be very careful with this material. If you get the heat too high, you will scorch them, and if it's too low, they won't press out at all. So you do have to be very careful, but if you are good with an iron, if you even own an iron, they're worth it. And that was the only thing that I kept actually from that box, but you guys seem to love the video for no other reason than to tell me. Most watched video number 3 was from January 2020, and I actually had to go back and watch the video because I honestly didn't remember anything that was in it. The 2 pieces that I kept from that particular Stitch Fix were a Michael Stars Dolman top and a Calvin Klein like suit separate. The Dolman top actually didn't last very long. It pilled super quickly. I love Michael Stars for their softness of their fabrics, but I will tell you that the material is not super high quality, and for the price that you pay for Michael Stars, I just feel like it should wear a little better. If I had to buy that shirt again, the gray Dolman, I would probably try to dry clean it or like dry out it as opposed to actually washing it the way that I did, just because this fabric pilled so quickly and it just wasn't very flattering even after taking a little de-pillar gadget. It just didn't go over very well. So I ended up giving that shirt away pretty early on in the year. The other piece that I kept, I couldn't find a picture of, but I do have it here, and it's still in my closet, and it's still a favorite. This is the Calvin Klein suit separate in black, and it's like, it buttons just like halfway down here, and then it has this kind of pleated collar on it. It's a long sleeve shirt, and it just dresses up or dresses down so well, and I actually still really, really love this piece. It has a nice feel to it. I've owned a lot of Calvin Klein over the years, and like most of the pieces that I have, this one has worn well over time, and I'm really glad that I have it in my wardrobe. So this was a great pick from them, and I'm glad that you guys enjoyed that video. The number 2 most watched video was actually a surprise to me, and every time I look at my analytics, I'm always surprised by how many views it has, because I kind of just purchased this box as a little bit of a joke, and it was the Fumoda Mystery Fashion Box. I don't know if it's because you guys were seeing it on Instagram the same way I did. You know, you see things on Instagram and then you feel compelled to try and see what all the fuss is about. And that's how I ended up with a Fumoda mystery box. Essentially, I think it was like $60 or something. They send you 3 pieces, completely random. You don't know what you're going to be getting at all whatsoever. And I tried it out. This is a video you definitely need to go back and watch, because I stuffed myself into this orange ruffly thing or red ruffly thing or whatever. It definitely had more holiday vibes to it, the dress did, but I just couldn't even get my body into it, even though it was allegedly a large. That dress is lying around here somewhere too, waiting to be, actually I think it's up on my Poshmark closet, so if you're interested in it, it's a beautiful dress. It just didn't fit, and it's up on my Poshmark closet right now. I will say about the Fumoda dresses that I got, they were beautifully constructed. These were high quality dresses. This was not junk. When I went in and I kind of looked at the sewing and the construction or whatever, I was like, these are really nice and probably worth more than the $20 I ended up paying per dress. Even still, it's kind of a weird thing to buy something sight unseen, much like my 2 Blind Brothers box, although I really loved everything in that box. But the Fumoda box was a little interesting. Would I do it again? Absolutely. You know, you guys know the things that I'll do for you. I'm willing to try almost anything. And yes, I absolutely would do it again. I've actually looked at Fumoda a couple of times, and I've consider joining their kind of Costco style club, but I just keep wondering if I'm gonna spend enough money to make it worthwhile. We'll see what happens in 2021. The one dress that I did actually really end up loving is one that I'm gonna show you a picture of right now. And it was just a very beautiful summery dress with long sleeves. The material was just really nice. I liked the pattern. It was just a lightweight kind of summer pre-fall dress, and it's still in my closet, and I absolutely love it, and I'm happy to have it. Finally, the #1 most watched video on my channel was the fall transition stitch fix from September 2020. It was all the beautiful yellows. I got an amazing cardigan by, I think it's by Ella Rose or something like that. Anyways, it's a yellow and white stripe, and I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite pieces in my collection right now. But I also got this beautiful leather bag by, let's see, Urban Expressions. The tags are still on it, you guys, because I haven't carried it out yet. But I love this bag. It is so beautiful. And why haven't I taken it out? Because I ended up getting a lot of bags this fall, and I just haven't had a chance to put it into my rotation. But I guarantee you guys, this is going to be something that I have for a long time, and that is going to get plenty of playtime at some point in the future. So do I regret getting this? Absolutely not. Even though I haven't worn it yet, absolutely not. It's amazing. It feels really great. I still love the size of it. The other things, you know, I've been at home just like a lot of you guys, beyond just going to work, where I don't have to get into my bag at all. So I really haven't had a chance to be able to really have somewhere that I want to tote all of that stuff around to. So that's another reason that it hasn't had a chance to come out yet, but it's going to get so much playtime. But you guys loved all the sunny bright pieces that were in that fix as much as I did. I think that purse though was like the kicker item. Everybody just loved it. And I mean, why not? It's a beautiful bag and a beautiful color, and those sunny yellows just light me up. And I'm glad that you guys saw what I saw in that fix. So that is the top 5 most watched videos on my channel this year. You guys, I love all the support that you all give me. You clearly love my Stitch Fix videos, and believe you me, there's gonna be plenty of them more in the upcoming year, because I love Stitch Fix as much as you guys do. It's just a fun service for me. I love all the subscription services that I subscribe to, and I know you guys do too, but Stitch Fix is the one that generally gets watched most of all. I love hearing all the feedback that you guys have to give me. This is a community with conversation, and I'm not really offended that easily by things that you like or you don't like. And a lot of times you guys give me great feedback on shops that I should go to, clothing that I should try, ways to style things. Even though I myself am a stylist, it's so nice to get feedback from you guys, because you see things through a different set of eyes than I do, and so I totally appreciate that. And will I completely continue to cover things that are a surprise or a little bit different? Absolutely. I'm here for it. You guys can expect to see more about rental services next year. I may do a few more surprise boxes, and like I said, you'll still see all the regular clothing subscription boxes here, plus probably a few more next year. I am really looking forward to 2021. This was the year that I decided to take YouTube seriously, and so I have invested so much more time this year in making videos than I have in any other year since I've been on YouTube, which has been a little while. But I've been having so much fun. I am getting to interact with so many of you. I actually feel bad that I haven't been able to watch some of my favorite YouTubers as much as I normally would this winter or this December, because I've been so busy here on Vlogmas. But just a quick shout out to Carolyn and Her Clothes, Remaking Missy, Life of a City Girl, Georgia Sunshine, Southern Yankee. Who else do I want to shout out right now? Robin, and let's see. Oh, who's the other one? Oh, it's not coming to me right now, but there's just so many of you, and I will list some of my favorite YouTubers below in the description box, because you guys show me so much love. I hope that you'll show them so much love. A lot of these YouTubers, I don't even know if they know who I am, but they inspire me to do what I do every day. And I appreciate them for the work that they put in. I appreciate you guys for watching the work that we put into this. And I'm hoping that all of us have an amazing 2021. One more day of Vlogmas, you guys. So coming back tomorrow, I'm going to tell you guys about some of the things that I have learned after 24 days of filming every single day. Until then, be sure to go over to Instagram and follow me there. My handle is @fromtuesday. Be sure to like this video, and then be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can know every single time when one of my videos drops. Until tomorrow, live with love. Bye.